Man, is it a dreary and depressing day today, but that's okay. We're gonna make the most of it, and we are gonna whip up a batch of very healthy and delicious granola bars, and they're very easy. The first thing we're gonna do is add about 2.5 cups of rolled oats to a mixing bowl. It doesn't have to be exact. I'm gonna do 1 cup of raisins. You could do regular raisins, golden raisins, whatever. You could even do cranberries, any kind of dried fruit you want. You know what? I'm just gonna dump them all in. We'll just use them all up. Right, then we're gonna do about 1/2 cup of flax seeds. I'm gonna do hemphearts, 1/2 cup. I have some chopped dates. I'm gonna do about 1/2 cup, but I'm just, again, gonna use up what's in the bag, so I'm just gonna dump it in. And then I'm gonna do a mixture of chopped pecans and chopped pumpkin seeds that I have here. So we're just gonna need to chop those up. This recipe is very customizable. If you don't like nuts or seeds, just leave them out. Add some more raisins, add some more dates, add in chocolate chips, whatever you like. That's it. And now I'm gonna put in some spices. This is where it truly gets customizable, because you could do cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, allspice, cardamom, whatever kind of spices you like. I am gonna try Chinese 5-spice again for this. I used this for cookies a couple weeks ago and I absolutely loved it. So I'm just gonna try it again. And for this, I'm thinking about a tablespoon should be good. So that's what we're gonna try. I've never done this with Chinese 5-spice before, so we'll see how this turns out. Smells good. It smells really good. If you haven't tried Chinese 5-spice, I highly recommend it. It's delicious. All right, now we're gonna head over to the stovetop and we're gonna mix together the, I guess basically the glue that's gonna hold this together. I'm gonna use some pure maple syrup. We get this at a local Mennonite shop. About 1/2 cup. And then I need a cup of nut butter. You can use any nut butter you choose. I wanted to do all almond butter, but I'm not gonna have enough, so I'm gonna have to mix in some peanut butter. That's about all we're gonna get out of there. I'm gonna need a little bit of peanut butter. I'm gonna add a little bit extra maple syrup because that almond butter was pretty hard at the bottom. I'm gonna add in a splash of vanilla, about a tablespoon or two. Now I'm just gonna add in the almond butter and maple syrup mixture right into our oats and nuts. Oh, I forgot to add in the coconut oil. I'm gonna quick heat up a little bit of coconut oil and mix that in too. I was wondering why it was so dry. Hold on. All right, hopefully this still works out. I have about a 1/4 cup of coconut oil here. I just melted it down and we're gonna pour that in too. I'd like to say that was chemo brain, but truthfully I was this forgetful before chemo, so it is what it is. Should still turn out fine. All right, this is looking really good. Much better. Much, much better. Okay. Now I'm gonna get a pan to press this out in and some parchment. Let's do this. There we go. At this point, you could put toppings on as well. You could sprinkle on mini chocolate chips. You could do coconut flakes. I'm gonna do half of this with some coarse sea salt because I'm gonna like that a lot. The kids will not. My husband probably will not, but I'll love that. So, finish pushing it down and I'm gonna grab the sea salt. This is the sea salt I have. Here's what it looks like. It's nice coarse flakes. They're delicious. I'm gonna sprinkle some of those on down here. That'll make it extra good. And we're gonna throw this in the fridge for maybe about an hour to chill before we chop them up. So these are fresh out of the refrigerator. Actually, I put them in the freezer for just a little bit so that they'd harden up faster. And we're gonna cut them up and see how they taste. All right, we're gonna give this a try. I'm very curious about the 5 spice because I've not made these with 5 spice before. So let's just see how they are. Those are good. The 5 spice has a nice little kick to it because it does have black pepper in it, but it also has some of those like nutty, warm, cozy spices like cinnamon and cardamom. It's really good. And the sea salt on top makes it. All right, guys, well, thank you for being with me in the kitchen today, making our healthy granola bars. I hope you're having a great start to your new year, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Those are so good.